Air fryer brownies that are fudgy, gooey, and never dry in the center. You only need a few basics: brownie mix or homemade batter, eggs, butter or oil, and chocolate chips if you want extra richness. Start by mixing your wet ingredients first, then add cocoa powder, sugar, and flour. Stir until smooth and thick. Pour the batter into a small lined pan. About 6 to 7 inches works best for even cooking. Place it in your air fryer and set it to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Lower heat is the secret, so the edges don't burn before the center cooks. Check with a toothpick. You want a few moist crumbs for that perfect fudgy texture. Let it cool before slicing. This step helps the brownies set and gives you that rich, gooey center. For extra fudgy brownies, slightly underbake and add more chocolate chips. Try fun variations like walnut crunch, peanut butter swirl, or double chocolate chunks. Air fryer brownies are fast, easy, and unbelievably fudgy. Once you try this method, you'll never go back.